Anton? Anton!
Oh, hi Sen, it's you.
What are you doing, Anton?
Nothing, I was just practicing, to cover my song. Not actually my song, just to cover South Border song.
Oh, what song is that, Anton?
Kahit Kailan, have you ever heard it?
Yeah.
I think you never heard it, Kahit Kailan,
Can you do the chorus part now? So,
But do you have any idea how to do that?
no.
That's, I practice it a lot.
Yeah.
I
I know you're good at piano.
It's not piano, it's organ. Piano is wood. You can find it in the church. Okay? Kahit kailan?
Yeah.
Sure. Kahit kailan, di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan, di kita papabayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan.
That was nice. Awesome.
It's not awesome. I think that's fabulous. I never heard anyone play like that. It's only me.
Me too.
You will find you search any YouTube videos, or Google any YouTube videos, or Facebook thingy. But I'm good, man. Nothing can beat me. Keep that in mind.